You can understand my English.
Yes, I do. Your English is quite good. I do understand you. Where did you? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Great. What is your name?
My name is English, and you?
Your name is what?
My name is English.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Okay, my name is Farzana and I'm from South Africa.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice. And are you a student at university?
Yeah, I finished my graduate.
Sorry?
I completely my graduate.
So, what did you study?
Bachelor of Arts.
Oh, great, 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 great. And this lesson, the best bit, did you choose to do this lesson today?
No, no, no.
Oh, just basic conversation?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And what are your
Well,
hobbies? What,
yes, yes,
sorry? What
yes,
are
yes.
your hobbies and what are things you like to do in your free time?
Uh, I, I like to do my free time. Uh, Fighting with my younger brother and sister, and I liking
Sorry?
to,
Fighting.
yes, my younger brothers and sisters.
Fight.
Fight means it's just it's just, how can
Playing.
I say,
Playing with my brothers and sisters.
yeah, playing and sometimes teaching.
Yes, I know what you mean. Yes. Okay. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food rice.
Rice, like biryani.
No,
Just normal rice.
no, you like rice?
Yes, like biryani. Yes, I like biryani. It's rice
Oh,
food.
I
Yes.
like Indian food.
Yes, because I am Indian. A mix. I have Indian roots.
Oh, you are Indian. Where are you from? In
I
India.
don't know. I don't know. It's roots, Indian roots, many generations. So I just know I have Indian roots, but I don't have any relatives.
So, are you a Muslim?
A Muslim, yes.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes. So did you travel to other countries before?
no.
Would you like to?
Have you ever come in India?
Yes.
How many
I've
times?
been to just once. I've been in 2019 to Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, Agra, Ajmer, Jaipur.
Oh, lot of
Where
place.
are you from? Yes.
I'm from Odisha.
Oh, I've never heard of it.
You know Jagannath Puri?
No, I don't know.
Oh, it's so famous.
The what? What is the word?
Jagannath.
No, I don't know. What is it about?
Uh, uh, it's a heaven place.
Hmm. Do you have? So you said you have siblings. How many siblings do you have?
Actually, my parents has two children, me and my younger brother, but I have 10 brothers and sisters.
Sorry.
My parents have two children, me and my younger brother, but I have 10 brothers and sisters.
Why? Your father got married again?
No, because I have very big family. Me, my grandpa, my grandma, my uncles, aunties.
No, but you said you have 10 brothers and sisters. You saying you have Two children from your mother and father, but where's
Yes,
why you say 10 brothers and sisters?
because my uh, because my grandpa has 6 sons, or we are living together.
No, so they are your cousins, not your brothers and sisters, they are your cousins.
Oh, my cousins.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have.
the other kids that you're living with, it's the kids of your uncles.
Uh, oh,
So these are your cousins,
yes.
not your brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters are kids that you are siblings from your own parents.
No, thank you.
Okay,
And
you're
you?
welcome. I have two sisters and one brother.
Oh,
Yes.
we are living together.
No, I'm married. I am married, so I'm not living. I'm living with my own family, my husband and my kids.
Oh, how many kids do you have?
Sorry,
How many kids do you have?
I've got two daughters.
Okay, nice.
Thank you. Two daughters. Yes, one is the eldest one went with me to India. She was with me in India. She's
Oh,
now 6. She was 2.5 when she went to India. The youngest one, she wasn't born yet.
okay. And what are you doing in South Africa?
I'm a teacher, and I'm a teacher on Cambly. I left my job as a teacher at a school. I'm a teacher on Cambly.
I saw your profile, fashion designing.
I'm a qualified fashion designer, yes. I'm not
So,
working as a fashion designer in my country.
why?
You see, it's very difficult. When I graduated from university, only after then I found out that designers in my country, we don't practice designing, like making your own designs. No. When you're working for a retail company, they want you to go over 3 times a year to other countries like China, and they want you to go and copy their styles. So you can't create your own designs. No, you go copy other people's styles for the company. But me, I want to
Oh,
create my own designs.
you design both of girls or boys?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Sorry, can you repeat?
I mean, you designing clothes.
Yes, I design clothes, right. But I can't, I don't want to work for companies. They want you to design other company. They want you to take the styles of other companies.
Oh, you
So I,
you you
yes,
only designing girls or boys?
I designed everything, and I made wedding dresses. Now I just design for myself. I make for wedding dresses for family. I do those kind of things. Yeah, wedding dresses.
Can you can you see me anything you design?
Can you what?
Can you see me?
I can see you. Yes.
Your design.
Can you show me?
Oh, yes, yes,
Not
yes.
see
I
me. Can you
forgot.
show me? Right now I don't have my phone. It is my phone is off. But for the next class, you will make another class
Yes.
because I can't send pictures from my computer. I don't know how. So in the next class, I will remember to have my phone and I will show you.
Okay.
That's the correct sentence. I don't have any design. I have this design, this dresses I make. It's not wedding dress. It's a picture on my wall. But it's on my wall now.
Oh,
Yeah, but I don't have. It's all on my phone. I will show you on my phone when I get
I,
my
I, I,
phone.
I also like designing.
You like designing?
Yes.
Great. So, Did you design before?
No, now I'm learning sewing.
Sorry,
Now I'm learning tailoring,
you're learning what?
sewing, sewing, sewing.
Oh, yes, 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 sewing. You're learning sewing now.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Um, I think sewing is very common in your country, right?
Yeah, it's common.
Okay, and when you learn how when you know how to sew, what are you planning to sew?
Uh, I don't decide now.
I didn't decide yet. What does your parents do?
My father is a farmer and my mother is a good housewife.
Right. And you studying at university? Oh, you going? Are you going to get a job now?
No,
But you studied.
I finished my study recently.
But you don't want to get a job?
Yes, I am trying.
Oh, you're trying to get a job, right? Good. Is it easy to get jobs in India?
No,
Is it
no, it's
easy?
not easy. No,
Why?
it's
Too little jobs? The
not.
jobs are too
Because
little?
no, because you want to do government job, then you you lot of study, and you want to do private job, then first of all English. This is most important now in the world.
Right. Yes. English. English
You can understand my English.
language. Yes, I do. Your English is quite good. I do understand you. Where did you practice
Yeah,
English before?
before. No one is here to practice with me, and I only practice with myself in front of the mirror.
Okay, I understand. Okay, so how old are your brother and sister? You have one brother and sister.
Yes, one brother.
Just a brother, no sister.
No,
Okay, and cousins. You have cousins.
we have a lot of cousins. They are so small.
Okay, great. And
You like sari? I mean, do you ever try sari?
yes, when I went to India, I went to Indian wedding, so I wore sari.
Okay. You enjoy Indian wedding?
I went to an Indian wedding.
It's good.
Sorry,
It's good or bad?
good, good, nice, very nice experience.
What do you know about of India?
Sorry,
What do you know about of India?
what do I know about India? A lot. We only have 20 seconds. It's too little to talk about what I know. But I know about the meals. I know about Taj Mahal. I know about
You know South India?
which area is South India.
Uh, uh, Anywhere, anywhere.